Hey, this is Bar 64 guy, and I want to do a quick springtime update. Now weather's getting good. We're starting to see more sun, warmer temperatures. Now is where the springtime projects are going to start to kick in. What I wanted to do first was give you a quick update on the patio. So it's gotten through its first winter, and we'll just kind of show you what's going on here. You can see we got our furniture set up again. The big project for this spring is going to be a fire pit, so I'll follow up with that. I'm going to do an actual, stone fire pit. This little guy here got us through probably 4 or 5 years worth. Starting to rust out the bottom now. It's about due. So now that I have a patio, I'm going to put in a real fire pit. We added a swing, hammock swing. So not too bad. I got that guy off Amazon, and it's a nice little another area to sit. Torn on the Amish bench. Do I fix it or do I look at selling it as a fixer-upper? I'm leaning towards the latter. None of us are overly attached to it. So if you or anybody you know is interested in getting it cheap and doing some repair work on it, let me know in the comments. We rearranged a little bit. You can see the hammock is rotated now. It's more straight, just so it doesn't impede the stairway. But other than that, that's about it. Nothing big. One thing I do want to point out, looks like I did not do a good enough job over here with the polymeric sand, and it looks like some of this may have washed out. So I'm going to add some more sand in here. Next couple of days, we're going to get some rain, but then we're going to have like 3 or 4 days of good weather after that. So I'm going to put it in probably like, it's Saturday now, put some in on Monday, and that way it'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to fully cure. Hey, you can also see the concrete work I did, cured up pretty nice. I think it looks good. The white kind of blends in nice. I thought about maybe painting it a gray, but I think it's fine as is. It seems to be holding up all right. Just kind of coiling the hose up there for now. I haven't decided if I'm going to put a hose reel there or what, but yeah, it's still undecided. So over here, we were kind of toying with what to do, and we ended up deciding we're going to put a gazing ball in. So I'll show you real quick how that's going to go in. And we know we're going to put it somewhere in the middle. Eyeball it. Take a measurement. 56, so I want to be 28. We'll center it on 28. And then this way, kind of get it in the middle, and then we're 56 again. So somewhere on 28. So somewhere about there. Okay. I'll stand back, eyeball it. Yeah, looks pretty good. So I'm a little worried about the stability of this. So I'm going to use some landscaping stakes or staples, and I'm going to bury this, dig these in. So first thing I want to do is move my stone. If this guy can sit right up against the landscaping fabric. Check the measurement one more time. $28. Now I'll put the stakes in, and I'm going to put them in at an angle. The reason being is that if this rocks, I don't want it to just be able to pull the stakes straight up. I'd rather have it, it's going to have to kind of do an angled pull, which is much less likely to occur. Get it all the way around. Nope. There must be a big rock under there. Let's try shifting over. There we go. Okay. So that seems a lot more stable. Okay. What do you think? Anyway, that wraps it up for this quick little update. Definitely can see that I got a bunch of stuff that I'm planning on doing. Just a matter of getting to it with the full-time job. So we'll see what we can do. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Leave me some comments if you see something you either don't like or have a suggestion on how it could be done better. Definitely want to make sure that all viewers, and especially me, are educated on the best ways to do things. Just because I did it one way doesn't mean it was the best or the right way. We've seen that before. But yeah, I thank you, and I appreciate all of your viewership and your feedback. So thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep you appraised of all the new stuff I'm working on. Until the next one, it's Part 64 Guy. See you later.